Good evening, children. See, in this previous video, we discussed about what is the coefficient of x cube. In that 2, I told somewhat mistake, ma. Just observe. I just confused little bit. See, in that third Roman, that is fifth one, pi by 2 x cube plus x. What is the x cube coefficient means? Coefficient of x cube is pi by 2. This everything, this total we have to write. Next, one more also, sixth one, minus 2 by 3 x cube. Coefficient of x cube is minus 2 by 3. This is the coefficient of this one and this is the coefficient of this one. That's what we have to rectify, that two things. Okay. Next we'll see the fourth Roman. Before going to fourth Roman, first I want to discuss about what are the polynomials. First of all, what is a polynomial? We already discussed that. Non-negative integral part. For example, 2x power minus 3 plus 2x plus 4 plus 3, like that. If we have a negative integral part means we should not say that it is a polynomial. We cannot say that it is a polynomial. If integral part, if we have a positive, non-negative, it is negative. Non-negative means positive. If you have positive integral part, we can say that it is a polynomial. See, if a polynomial contains one term, that is 2 by 3 x cube, only one term we are having, we call it as monomial. We call it as monomial. If the polynomial contains two terms, that is 2x square plus 3x, it is having only two terms, any type of terms, maybe degree, whatever it may be, but it contains two terms means we call it as binomial. If it contains three terms, 3x power 4, 2x cube plus 2x, three terms, 1, 2, 3. Three terms means we call it as trinomial. We already discussed in 8th class. Though we discussed, again we are telling the same thing. See, these are all we can call it as polynomials. We can all call this as polynomial. What is a polynomial? If a polynomial contains one or more than one terms, we can call it as a polynomial. And polynomial should not contain the negative integral part. If it contains non-negative integral part only, we have to say it as a polynomial. Multinomial means more than three terms, we can call it as multinomial. Okay. All polynomials, see, all multinomials are polynomials. Sorry, all polynomials are multinomials. All multinomials are not polynomials. See, all polynomials are multinomials. And vice versa is not possible. All multinomials are not polynomials. Vice versa is not possible. This is possible. Now in this exercise 2.1, fourth one. What is the fourth one? Classify. See, this is about the terms. If you categorize the terms means we have to say that monomial by one term, monomial, two terms, binomial, three terms, trinomial, more than three, more than one or two or three, we call it as polynomial. More than three means we call it as multinomial. That is about the terms. According to degree wise, degree, what is the degree? Degree means what? The highest power of the equation, we call it as degree. See, 3x power 5 plus 6x square plus 3x cube plus 4x. See, which is the highest degree? 5. So, its degree highest power is 5. So, the degree of this particular polynomial is 5. N is equal to 5. For example, 4x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. The power of this one is 2. Here 1, here 0. So highest is 2. So the degree of this particular polynomial is 2. Okay. One more example. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. See, here the highest power is 3. So degree is 3. Okay. One more. 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here it has the degree as 1. Power as 1. So here the degree is 1. Highest power is 1. That's why we have to write highest. Highest power we have to take. Here the highest power is 5. So the degree is 5. Here the highest power is 2. The degree is 2. Here the highest power is 3. The degree is 3. Here the highest power is 1. So the degree is 1. In this way we have to find out the degree of that particular polynomial. Now see, according to degrees wise, according to degrees, according to degrees, again polynomials are classified into 3 types. If the degree is 1, that is 2x plus 3, the degree is 1, we call it as linear polynomial or linear equation. Okay, linear polynomial. One term also linear only, 2 terms also linear. This is a linear polynomial. See, if the degree is 2, 1 means linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, that is 3x square plus 2x plus 4. Here the highest power is 2, so the degree is 2. We call it as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. Quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, n is equals to 3, that is 4x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. See, here the highest power is 3. We call it as 3. So we call it as cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cube itself, the name itself says that 3. Cube means 3. So cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means, see here what he asked you, what is a linear, classify the some polynomials he has given. You have to classify that whether it is a linear or quadratic or cubic polynomial. We have to say that which one to which category it belongs, whether it is a linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial or cubical polynomial. We have to say that. That is in 2.1, fourth one we are dealing. Okay. See in that 2.1 fourth, in that fourth Roman, first one, 5x square plus x minus 7. What is the degree? Degrees are denoted with, see, degrees are denoted with n. Degree is 2. If the degree is 2 means what is this polynomial? It is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. Quadratic polynomial. See the second one. If the degree is x minus x cube, you have to take, see if you observe the first term, the degree, the power is 1. You have to observe all the powers and find out which is the highest power. See here the power is 3. That means this is the highest power. So degree is, what is the degree for this one? Degree is n is equals to 3. If the degree is 3, what do you call? Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay. Cubic polynomial. Next, third one, x square plus x plus x plus 4. See, if you observe here, the degree highest power is 2. So, degree n is equals to 2. So, if the degree is 2 means what is that one? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next, fourth one, x minus 1. Fourth one is x minus 1. Fifth one, 3p. Next, sixth one, pi r square. Pi r square. So, what is the degree of this particular one? Degree. See here, 1, nothing is there means 1 is there. So, the degree of that particular polynomial is 1. If the degree is 1, we can say that it is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. We call it as linear polynomial. See here also the degree is 1. So degree is equals to 1. So it is also a linear polynomial. Here the degree is, that means highest power is 2. 2 means what do you call it as? Degree n is equals to 2. So we call it as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. See, in simply we can say that if the degree is 1, highest degree is 1, we call it as linear polynomial. Degree is 2, then we call it as quadratic polynomial. Degree 3, then we call it as cubic polynomial. Highest degree we have to take. Okay. Thank you.